thank you very much for being here, and if you are new, thank you very much for watching my video, and for those who are my subscribers already, thank you very much for being here again, and please join me in unboxing my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Now, I don't know if this is a September or the October box because I have been having problems with my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. They've been delayed and I haven't gotten my July, and they refunded me for that. Then my August and my September. My August came, but it's such a mess. I didn't want to upload the video. And then I didn't get my September yet, and October, and it's a November now. So I don't know which box is this. Is this September or the October? So let's find out which one is it. Okay. So when you open this, that's what it says. Discover yourself. Now, Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is $25 a month, and it's free shipping. Okay. Oh, okay, now I know what this is because of the bag. Okay, so this is my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for October 2019 because of the Betty Boop bag, okay? And where is the card? Now, there is no card. Okay. Now the inside of the bag looks like this, and the back is like this. It's the same bag with the Ipsy Ultimate, okay? And now I think because of I am not supposed to get I have a duplicate product in my Ipsy Ultimate, and because of getting that, I think I received some points for that to cover up the mistake that they made, okay? And the item that is a duplicate is this one. So I got this already in my Ipsy Ultimate, but I got this again. I also got this in my Glam Bag Plus. So this is the Betty Boop Cheek to Cheek Blush Palette. And let's check if it's the same shade. Okay, let me open this. And ooh. Okay. Now that's how it looks like. And let's check. Oh, it won't open. Oh, okay. So basically, it's the same shade. Okay, so that's what it is, and I'm not gonna elaborate on that. But I really like the packaging, but the blush doesn't have a very good review though. I've heard some not so good things about the blush, but I haven't used it yet. Okay, because I am still using the blush that I received from BoxyCharm before. And wait a minute, why am I getting this is a sample size? I don't like what's in my box because this is a sample size. Ipsy Glam Bag Plus supposed to be all full-size items. And why am I getting this sample size of eggplant clearing mud cream mask from Papa Recipe? Oh wow, this I'm not happy. I don't know what's going on with Ipsy right now, but they are not really doing good. Okay, now this one is from Tristique. I can't really tell you how much these are, but I've noticed that with my Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate, they don't have the prices on the booklet. Okay, so this is the Tristique All Over Starlighter Powder Stick. Okay, And this is in ultra violet. What is this thing? There is no card, so I don't know what this is. Okay, so this is a pocket size travel friendly glow on the go. Okay, and it's this, it's tiny. Okay, so what is this? It says not for sale, all over starlighter powder stick. Ooh, so it says here twist up powder stick. Okay, ooh, it's so cute. So it's a highlighter. There you go. And I don't know if you can see, but it stars in this thing here. I don't know, but it's kind of cute though. But I don't know if I should be happy about this, because with this one I'm not happy anymore. Ay ay ay. Okay. And I am happy with this one though. This is a power gloss. Namaste All Day and Serene Queen. And this is from Jules Smith Beauty. Although I really don't like, I rarely use lip gloss. But I kind of like the colors of this. Ooh, I love this. Look at the color of this. Wow. Let's open this thing. And that's the shade. I'm gonna swatch this. Ooh, love this color. Maybe I should put some on. Ooh, wow. Love it. Ooh, wow. Wow, I love this. So this is, what shade is this? It doesn't say here. I can't see. Oh, this is the Namaste All Day from Jules Smith. Okay, and the other one is the Serene Queen. Okay, I'll show you first. That's the shade, and it's very beautiful shade. Okay, now let's watch this. Oh, this is kind of very light. So this is the Namaste, and this is the Serene Queen. So you can't really see this one. So this one, I'm happy. Okay, I love this. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna put that back. And the last but not the least, I think this is my customization product. And yep, this is the one. And this is from Dr. Brandt. And this is the Microdermabrasion Age-Defying Exfoliator. Renews skin radiance, polishes and smooths, helps diminish the look of fine lines. There you go. And this is 2 ounces. It's sealed, so I'm not gonna open it yet. But I really like the packaging. So that's how it is. This is plastic, but it's clear. See? Love this one. Kind of nice. And I'm not sure again how much this are. So if I can't find the prices for this, I will try to put it in the video. Okay? But with this, just looking at the products here, I think with just this one, I already got more than the worth of the box. Okay, because I know this is more than $25, because this is the Dr. Brandt product. So again, I got this, the Jules Smith Beauty lip glosses, and this Tristique all over starlighter. This one I'm not happy about, and the Ipsy blush set. Oh, blush palette rather. So that's it. I'm not happy that they don't have what do you call that, the card. I'm not happy that they don't have the card. There's no price. I don't know how much they are. I hope Ipsy will do better in the next months, because I already canceled my Ipsy Glam bag for November. And I don't know, I haven't decided it yet, but I might cancel also my ultimate box. Okay, so I hope they will really do better, because box charm is really getting better and better. And please let me know, please leave a comment below, what do you think of the box. And if you haven't done it yet, please don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the notification bell so you will know if I have a new video up. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye-bye!